Hello everybody, welcome to Docker for Microservices. I'm Sandal Kumar and you can reach me at Twitter and GitHub at Sandal Kumar N. I'm a full stack developer at ZBI Labs where we design and develop complete DevOps solution for enterprise customers. I'm a co-dev team member at JHipster. I'm also a team member at Webpack. I'm part of Rust Wasm working group where we design the future of Rust and Wasm working together. I'm a big open source lover and I contribute to many open source projects. Let's see what this course is comprising of. In this journey, you will get started with Docker and see what is the difference between Docker and virtual machine, and also how to start and run your first Docker container. Followed by that, you will see the various options the Docker CLI provides and how to use the various options in your terminal. Followed by that, you will see how to compose multiple Docker files into a single Docker compose file and use it across in order to bootstrap or start multiple applications together. Followed by that, you'll see the essential parts of a microservice application, why it is needed and what it provides. And then you deploy the entire microservice application into the cloud and also see the basics of Docker registry. The course is structured in this way. At step 1, you understand what it actually provides. Followed by that, you experiment those steps in your local machine. And then you explore the other features inside in order to better understand as well as use it more effectively. But why Docker for microservices? Designing and developing microservices is much easier nowadays, but integrating and making them work is a major pain point for developers and operation people. Since microservice application has multiple moving parts inside, it's really a pain for people to integrate and make them work together. This course is aimed at seeing how Docker provides a solution for all of those pain points and why you should use Docker for microservices application, both in development as well as in production.